Inside today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to make money with YouTube automation. We're going to be using ChatGPT to create YouTube scripts, and then we're going to be putting together automated YouTube videos in order to earn money with AdSense as well as affiliate marketing income. I'm going to explain everything step by step in detail. I'm going to show you the best prompts to use when creating these videos, how to get the images in the videos for the background, and especially I'm going to show you how to make money with this method inside today's video. First things first, we have to sign up for ChatGPT using OpenAI.com. Now, in order to do this, it's really simple. Just go to OpenAI.com, click on Try ChatGPT. It's going to present you with this screen. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. Once you're on the sign up screen, enter in your email address. It will ask you to confirm your email address as well as enter in a phone number. Once you do that, you will have access to ChatGPT. And this is what ChatGPT looks like. ChatGPT is an automated AI chatbot that will give you answers to questions and prompts that you enter in to the chat box. And that is exactly how it works. You can enter in so many different kinds of prompts into ChatGPT's text line, and it's going to give you an answer for all kinds of different prompts. And inside today's video, we're going to be using it to create YouTube scripts in order to build a YouTube automation business, making money with AdSense as well as affiliate marketing income. And this is what I think is going to be the best way to make money with ChatGPT. And I think a lot of people are going to be using this. So it's best to jump on this strategy right now. Now, the type of videos that we're going to be creating inside of this tutorial is going to be kind of similar to the channel 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. These different kinds of channels create whiteboard animation videos explaining different kinds of money and finance topics. And I think that this is one of the best ways to earn money with YouTube and ChatGPT because the finance niche pays so much for AdSense, and there's a ton of different affiliate marketing programs that you can use to make money with this method. So first things first is we have to create a prompt to write a YouTube script. And I've already done that, and I've entered in write a 1,000 word YouTube script about the 10 best side hustles. So now ChatGPT is going to give me a YouTube script all about the top 10 best side hustles. But there is one issue that I found with this, and that is that ChatGPT is limited to about 500 words, and we need that to be a little bit longer to create a good YouTube video. So in order to get around that, what I said is make this longer because I wanted more in-depth content about these 10 different side hustles for this video. So what did ChatGPT do? Well, it gave me an expanded version of this YouTube script, and now you can see that each one of these bullet points is about 3 paragraphs long instead of just the 1 paragraph. And you'll notice that it stopped at 5 because we reached our character limit, but then after I just typed in continue for the prompt line, that gave me the rest of the YouTube script. So then I headed over to Word Counter and I copy and pasted the entire script, and it came out to be around 1,195 words. That is more than enough to create a 10-minute spoken YouTube video. So in just a few minutes, ChatGPT created an entire YouTube script for us, and it has over 1,000 words, meaning that it will be a great length for YouTube. But we don't want to use this word for word script. We want to change it up and make it our own content. So there's a couple of different ways that we could do that. One of them, we could just go in and start changing some of the words in each one of the paragraphs, making it more unique to us, or we could put it inside of a word spinner. Now, in order to get original content, what we could do is we could copy our script over here on ChatGPT and take it over to something like SpinBot, which will automatically rephrase it into an original piece of content. So those are your 2 options for creating original content using the script that ChatGPT provided us. But now you're probably thinking, well, how do I actually create these videos? Well, you have a couple of different ways to do that. You could use a whiteboard animation tool like VideoScribe to create whiteboard animations that line up with that script that ChatGPT provided us. Now, this is going to be a little bit time consuming because you will have to put together the whiteboard animations, and you will also have to create a voiceover. But there's another way that we can actually do this using another AI-based tool, and that is going to be Pictory.ai. This is an AI bot that will produce video footage for you based on given text. So what we could do is just start with a script, and we can copy and paste in our script text from ChatGPT, and Pictory AI is going to create video clips that go along with that script. So first things first, we want to call this 10 best side hustles, and then we want to paste in our script. So what we could do is copy and paste our script over into Pictory, and then this is going to produce video content that lines up with the words from the script. All I have to do is just click on proceed. And then it gives us all kinds of different templates that we can use for this video. I'm going to go with corporate because we're designing a business-based video. And then we want it to be 16 by 9. And now after a few minutes, Pictory has now taken our text and lined it up with different videos that we can use for our YouTube video. Now let's go ahead and preview this video. You'll notice that each one of these phrases to the left is going to be put together with a different video clip. So there's a lot of different video clips that they pulled for this specific video, which is why I love using Pictory. I don't have to search for any of these videos, and it will automatically produce these videos for me once I am ready to publish this video. And then in the top right here, you can see that the estimated length is going to be 10 minutes and 26 seconds. You can also add a voiceover and record it directly into Pictory, and that's going to line up with the video clips. And then if you want to, we can actually remove this text here by going to settings, click on hide text, and now there's no text to be seen inside those videos if you want it that way. You can take care of all the styling, the text, the audio, and the visuals over here, and you can even change the different clips if you don't like certain ones. So if I wanted to change this clip right here that says, welcome to this video on the 10 best side hustles, I can go over here, type in money into the search section, and we can click on any of these different clips. So I like this one right here. I'll click on it and it will automatically update that for scene number 2. So if we go back to the story, we can see number 2 is welcome to this video on the 10 best side hustles. You may have noticed by now that we created this entire business by using 3 different AI softwares. We used Chat GPT to create the YouTube script. We then used a spin bot to spin that script and make it unique. And then we used Pictory.ai to create this video. So this entire money-making method can be done just by using AI software. Now you're probably wondering, how do I monetize this kind of content on YouTube? Well, first off, there's going to be YouTube AdSense. And from personal experience, I know that the business niche pays a lot when it comes to AdSense on YouTube, but you can also earn money through affiliate marketing. And one of the best ways to do that is by promoting the best affiliate marketing program, in my opinion, and that is called Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online education system that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. And if you want to join Legendary Marketer, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below this video, but basically you can go through the 15-day online business builder challenge, become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, and start promoting it inside of those videos that you create using Chat GPT and Pictory.ai. In my opinion, this is going to be the fastest way to make money because there are such high-paying commissions inside of Legendary Marketer. As you can see here, Legendary Marketer pays 30 to 60% on all of the different products and courses that they offer inside of their program. So that's why I recommend this. I joined Legendary Marketer and started my business 2 years ago, and now I've been working full-time online, and so many other people have been using this product as well to create a long-lasting online business. So if you want to join Legendary Marketer and learn how to do affiliate marketing while pairing it with my Chat GPT method that I just taught you in this video, then go ahead and check out the link down below this video inside the description. And if you want more content from me on how to make money online, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create all kinds of content about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to build a profitable online business. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you guys when I release my next video.